on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate and highly filtered teams. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. So in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams by using our beautiful team generator software. So in this video we are going to analyze the data first of all, and after that by using the data we will generate the Grand League winning teams. These teams will be very accurate and highly filtered teams. So let's analyze the data that we have for the today's match between Royal Challengers Bengaluru and SRH Sunrisers Hyderabad. So let's analyze the data. So the probable playing 11 will be from RCB side: Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, Rajat Patidar, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers, Washington Sundar, Daniel Christian, Kyle Jamieson, Harshal Patel, Mohammad Siraj, Yuzvendra Chahal from RCB side, and from the SRH side, David Warner, Wriddhiman Saha, Manish Pandey, Johnny Bairstow, Mohammad Nabi, Vijay Shankar, Abdul Samad, Rashid Khan, Bhuvaneswar Kumar, Sandeep Sharma, and T. Natarajan. These players will be the probable playing 11 for the today's match between Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Sunrisers Hyderabad. So let's analyze the top players from both the side. So the top players from RCB side will be Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers, Kyle Jamieson, and Devdutt Padikkal. And from the SRH side, David Warner, Manish Pandey, Johnny Bairstow, and Rashid Khan will be the top player from the SRH side. Especially Johnny Bairstow is in very good touch, and from the RCB side, AB de Villiers obviously is in good touch, and Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell are also in good touch. I am not very sure about Devdutt Padikkal because he is playing his first match. So but he's at the end of the day he's also very good player. And also, so in point of view of our software, let's analyze the players that we can consider as a captain in our software. That means the players that are capable of captain selection for captain. That is from the RCB side, Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell, and AB de Villiers can be selected as a captain potential players. And from the SRH side, David Warner, Manish Pandey, and Johnny Bairstow can be selected as a captain potential player from the Sunrisers Hyderabad side. As well as the captain, let's check the vice captain as well. So for the vice captain section, from RCB side, Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers, Kyle Jamieson, and Devdutt Padikkal can be considered as a vice captain players. And from the SRH side, David Warner, Manish Pandey, Johnny Bairstow, and Rashid Khan can be considered as a vice captain players from the SRH side. So let's analyze the pitch details and other details as well. So the pitch will be balanced pitch. That means it would support both batting and bowling as well. At the end of the day, the scores are very high in IPL these days. So the scores we can expect anything around 180 is also a good score. And the average, according to the pitch, the average total score will be 150, 148. That means we can expect 300 plus runs out of 40 overs. So it will be a balanced pitch. So in point of view of our software, let's analyze the specific data that will help us to generate the top quality winning teams, GL winning teams. So the first thing will be since it is a balanced batting pitch, so the credit range will be 99 to 100. The total team credit range will be 99 to 100 will be the ideal range. And also RCB is almost equal to SRH, but for this match RCB are little favorites. So the combinations will be, we need to select 7 players from RCB side and 4 players from SRH side. At the same time, 6 players from RCB side and 5 players from SRH side. These are the combinations that will help our software to generate the top quality team. And also the most important part, the combinations as well. So for this particular match we are going to consider these 3 combinations for definitely getting the 100% teams. So the teams, the combinations will be 2 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 3 bowlers, and also 2 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 1 all-rounder, and 4 bowlers, and also 3 wicket keeper, 3 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, and 3 bowlers. So these are the specific data that we are going to use in this video in order to generate the best quality GL winning teams. So by using our beautiful team generator software, let's generate the teams. So you can see this is how our software look like. And those who don't know about this software is a advanced team generating software. That means it generates 100% winning teams based on different techniques and a lot of algorithms it uses in the background, and it supports a lot of sports at the same time, every single series of every match, every sport. So for this video, let's click on cricket. Those who want to use this software and those who want to know how this software works, I have made a lot of videos in our channel, and I have already provided the contact details in the description box below as well as in the comment section below. Those who have interest can contact me. So let's after that we need to click on generate teams, and after that we have to select the fantasy that we are playing. So here in this case I am targeting Dream 11, and after that click on continue, and after that we need to choose the series. It supports a lot of series, and here the IPL is what I am selecting. And after that it is asking us to choose a type of generation. There are three kinds of sections here. One is for small league section. The first two are quick sections. That means we don't have to do anything. We just need to select the players that are playing. Software will take care of everything. That means everything from captain to vice captain, everything, total credit range, combinations, strategy, everything will be taken care by the software. And if you have a lot of skill and you have a lot of cricketing knowledge, I highly recommend this third section, because it requires your skill. At the same time, the software also uses a lot of its techniques. Both these combination will help us to get even more better teams. So in this video I am going to click on use advanced generation section. Those who don't have much time and those who don't have much knowledge on cricket, those who can go to these sections, but I am going with this section. After that we need to select the teams in which the match is in between. So it will be RCB versus SRH. After that we need to click on continue. After that we can give any match number, because whatever the teams we are going to generate in this software, those teams will be stored within your device. So in order to store, we need just match number. So this software works perfectly fine both on mobile as well as in laptop. So after that we need to click on continue, and we need to select the players. We need to select at least 6 players from each side. That means we can select at most a maximum of 11 from each side, and at least 6 from each side is important. So I am selecting the players that I have given in the slides just now. So let me quickly select the players that I have just now shown to you. So from the SRH side, the players will be, so these will be the players that are going to play today. These are the probable 11s actually. So after that we need to click on continue, and after that it is asking us to select the fixed players, the players you want to fix in our teams. That means whatever the players you have selected in this section, those players will be definitely there in every team, every generated team. So you need to be little more careful and select the players who you think they will definitely play today. So I'm going to go with Bairstow, Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers. So it is a little risky option, because you can left this section alone, that is also fine. The software will take care of the other combinations. So but I am going with AB de Villiers, Virat Kohli and Jonny Bairstow today, and at the same time you can go with KL Jamieson as well, because he will definitely take 1 or 2 wickets for sure. After that we need to click on continue, and after that we need to click on the players you want to consider as captain. I have already given the data in the slides as well. So let me quickly select the players I think they have the potential to become the captain. So after that we need to click on continue, and after that we need to click on the players you want to consider as vice captain. So let me quickly select the players that I feel they have the capability to become vice captain. So after that we need to click on continue, and after I have already given you in the slides as well that we are going to go with the favorable of RCB. That's why we are going to go with 7 players from RCB as well as 6 players from RCB. After that we need to click on continue. After that we need to give the credit range. I have already given you the credit range in the slides, which is 99 to 100 is the credit range of our teams. After that we need to click on continue. So you can see the strategies as well. I have already given you the data that we are going to go with 2-4-2-3, 2-4-1-4 and 3-3-2-3. These are the three combinations that I feel will be the match winning strategies. After that we need to click on continue, and we need to give the number of teams that you want to generate. You can generate anywhere between 1 to 3333, but you don't need that many teams. You can just need 11 teams. That is 100% enough. So after that we need to click on generate teams. You can see all these teams are generated. So you can see all these teams are generated based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate and highly filtered teams. So you can see all these teams are generated, and the software will take care of everything. I hope you guys like this video, and those who bought this software, please follow this video. I highly recommend you to follow this video, because we have analyzed a lot of data to generate all of these teams. And those who want the software, you can contact me in the description box below. I have already provided you the contact details. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead, like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.